Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sneha Agarwal, tarot reader, numerologist, and Reiki healer. So today I'm doing a journal tarot prediction for zodiac Scorpio. So before I start, I want to tell everyone that it is a very journal tarot prediction, so it might not resonate with everyone. So in this video, I'll be telling what Scorpio people are currently dealing in their life and how the end of week of January 25th till January 31st will be for them. So let's get started. So somewhere I can see that current energies are, for few of them, they are very focused and they are starting their new beginning in their career, in their business, or in a relationship, and they are really focused and holding a good position in their work. But for some of you, I can see that they are having a lot of mood swings, they are not sleeping well as well, and they are very emotional. And for few, I can say at the same time, like they have very positive things around, they have opportunities, but because of their emotions, they are not able to see what currently they have, what positivity they have. They are getting too emotionally drained somewhere. Because of that, they are having a lot of mood swings, a lot of headache, they are not sleeping well. And for few, I can see that somewhere, uh, because of mood swings, they are unable to take decisions as well, like somewhere trying to balance between two things, and they are unable to handle the stress and having headache as well. For students maybe, or for people who are planning for higher studies or education, I can see somewhere they are not at the, they are feeling very low from inside, and they are very confused. And for few, I can see that they are also in a very they are very emotional also, and also they are feeling very socially disconnected. They are just going to self introspection, and they are just spending time with themselves, and they are very confused. I can see that they are not they don't know which direction to move ahead, and they are feeling directionless as well. So let's see how the end of week of January 25th till 31st will be for Scorpio. So somewhere I can see this coming week, as I said, that few people are very emotionally drained. They are thinking, they are not, they are feeling very directionless. They are not they are not knowing what direction to move. Somewhere I can see that this coming week, you will get somewhere clarity to know what to do. And for few, I can see that some people who are dealing in their business or job, I can see some kind of monetary stuckness is there this coming week. So if you were if you were planning that you were getting some अगर कोई रुका हुआ पैसा आप वेट कर रहे थे कि आपको मिलने वाला है, या समवन फाइनेंशियली कुछ अगर आप प्लान कर रहे थे, तो हो सकता है दिस कमिंग वीक आपको वो स्टकनेस रहेगी मॉनेटरी की. तो ओनली थिंग आई कैन सी इज़, आई वुड से इज़ दैट डोंट ओवर थिंक. हो सकता है कुछ कमिंग वीक में आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ले रहे हो, बहुत बर्डन ले रहे हो, बहुत ओवर थिंक कर रहे हो, तो डोंट डू दैट. और हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए, इफ़ आई कैन से दैट दे हैव टू मेक सम decisions, or they have to plan something, I would say do in a very calm state. Don't over stress yourself, and don't exert yourself. Don't take emotional decision as well, I would say. And I would say don't restrict yourself as well. सो कमिंग वीक अगर आपको कुछ कुछ अगर आप को अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आती भी हैं, बी ओपन, एक्सेप्टेंस लेकर आइए अपने अंदर, ताकि आपके पास जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आ रही हैं कमिंग वीक में उस पर आप फोकस कर पाओ, उसको आप ग्रैब कर पाओ, आई वुड से. सो दिस कमिंग वीक इज़, you don't have to take any emotional decisions and you don't have to take डिसीजन इन स्ट्रेस, आई वुड से. एंड थोड़ा ओपननेस लेकर आइए अपने आप को, थोड़ा रिजिड मत कीजिए. अगर आप ओपन रहेंगे दिस कमिंग, हो सकता है आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आ सकती हैं. इट्स जस्ट आप एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं लेकर आ रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है कुछ, आपको लग रहा है आपके पास कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है, कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा, जिसकी वजह से अगर आप ऐसी एनर्जीज रखोगे तो हो सकता है कमिंग वीक में अगर कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कुछ आ भी रहा होगा तो भी आपको लगे आप ग्रैब नहीं कर पाओगे. सो बी ओपन एंड थोड़ा एक्सेप्टेंस लाने की ज़रूरत है आपको, एंड ओवर थिंक बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है, एंड कुछ इमोशनल डिसीजंस नहीं लेना है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट गाइज, आई होप माई रीडिंग रेजोनेटेड. इफ इट रेजोनेटेड विद एनी वन, डू कमेंट बिलो, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई चैनल फॉर मोर वीकली एंड मंथली प्रिडिक्शन. स्टे ट्यून्ड, सी यू गाइज.